Hey guys, welcome to Brittany Bruce Education. In this video, we're going to talk about what kind of products you should be offering in your business. But before we do, I want you to download all the freebies listed below. And I'd love for you to join us in our free Facebook group, Brittany Bruce Business Coaching for Christian Women in Business. It's a great community where I go live, I share business coaching just like this, and you're invited. So click the link below and join us. Okay, let's talk about the 5 types of products you need to be offering inside of your business. This is going to be a short and sweet video because I think this is something that you can just start brainstorming. You can kind of create your product curation sheet where you get a big piece of paper and you go back to be like, okay, these are the product ideas that I have, and here are the types of products that I need in my business. And here are the 5 types of products. Are you ready? Here we go. Number 1, you need some free products. I know that this sounds like, but Brittany, I'm running a business. Let me just give you some advice, okay? Think of why Mexican restaurants never go out of business. What do they offer right off the bat? Free chips and salsa, okay? You need to have something in your business that is like free chips and salsa. Whether that is like I offer you right now some free resources like a free Facebook group, like a free ebook, a free checklist, a free download. When I was a photographer, I offered free style guides to people who were interested in booking with me, but didn't even book with me yet. So I gave the style guides, the engagement session style guide, the family style guide, the maternity style guide to my clients before they even booked me, okay? For the Comfy Chic Boutique, as people came into the door, we offered free coffee, free water. And that was something that gave them a better client experience. And here's the deal. In the next video that we're going to share, we're going to talk about how you can create a free offer that's actually going to be beneficial to your business by adding people on your email list, okay? Which is more important than your Instagram follower. It's more important than your Facebook business page count, okay? Your email list is something that you actually take ownership of. We're going to save this for the next video. So stay with me. And if you're interested in email marketing, catch me in the next video, okay? So number 1 is I want you to brainstorm what are some free things that won't really like kill the bank or take a lot of your time, free things that you can offer as a product in your business, okay? Number 2, a low offer, all right? So you need to think of something that's under $10 that you can offer in your business. That's why you see restaurants, there's like side items or a side salad. You go to boutiques and there might be like a little hairpiece or a bracelet right at the checkout counter. Photographers, you might offer $4 prints, right? Or $10 prints. Or a little tiny USB that's under $10. Like you might have these like little small offers. The point of this is the way that our psychology is that if you spend a little bit of your money with a business, the chances are that you were to go back to that business and spend more money is like 1,000,000% higher than if you never spent any money at all, okay? So giving them the free chips and salsa, giving them a little side salad or a bracelet or a, 4x6 print, or like for Brittany Bruce Education, we offer email templates, presets, online digital templates for under $20. They're about $7 for the email templates, I think, and then $12. And so they're very, very low price items. The purpose of the low price items is to get somebody to spend a little bit of money with you so that the chances are that they're going to come back and spend even more. Okay. Free, low, which is like under $10, and then think of a midpoint offer, okay? So this is under $30. What is something that's a midpoint offer that you can offer in your business that's a product, something that they can purchase and they can buy that's under $30, Okay, so that's why a lot of retail have these, $20 t-shirts. Restaurants have appetizers that are around $12 to $14. My Brittany Bruce education business, my coaching business, I offer mini courses that are $27, so they're under $30. So what is a midpoint offer that you can give or offer, a midpoint product that you can offer your clients that'll get them a little bit more and a little bit closer spending more money with you? Okay, so think of this as like this product funnel is what I like to call it. And I'm gonna have more videos about product funnels in the future, but just bear with me right now. You have everyone who's interested in you, and then you have a little bit who's actually gonna come in and take the free stuff. And you have a little bit more who's gonna come in and buy your low offer. You have a little bit more who comes in and buy your midpoint offer. And then you're gonna have just a little bit more who wants to buy your high point offer, okay? Which is one of the things that is probably around $100 or over between $50 and $100, whatever kind of like, my price points are gonna be very generic depending upon your business model, but just bear with me. So you have a free, a low, a midpoint, and a high point offer. And at the very top, you have the luxury offer, okay? So in all of my businesses, if I just give you an example, the luxury offer that I offered in my photography clients was a $700 album. The luxury offer that I offered my education students were these retreats, right? Something that I'm offering to you guys is one-on-one 2-day business coaching, and that's the highest luxury offer that we have. And so what is something you can offer that you think, well, this is crazy, and anyone who gives me this kind of money for this offer is crazy, but let me just give you some pricing psychology that I learned a couple years ago, is that people will pay for something as long as they feel like they themselves are luxury, okay? This is why, cruise ships have the indoor cabin. Cruise ships have the like porthole cabin where it's just like a little hole where you can see outside. Then they have the balcony. Then they have the suites. And then they have like the luxury captain's suites at the back corner end with the wraparound balcony. Okay. They have a low, mid, high, low, mid, high, luxury, and extra luxury price point, because those who get the luxury of the luxuries think themselves as luxury. Okay. And so you need to, if you never offered the top tier luxury packages of whatever it is that you're offering, you'll never sell them. So it's good to just have them, offer them, because there's going to be a very small pool at the bottom of your funnel, a small pool of people who think themselves as top tier high luxury and are going to purchase that product. Even though you probably wouldn't purchase it yourself, they will. So those are 5 different types of products that you can offer your business. A free product we'll talk about in the next video. Low point, midpoint, high point, and luxury. So I hope this is beneficial. I hope I got your wheels spinning a little bit. I would love to hear what kind of products that you offer down here below in the comments, or join us in the free Facebook group, Brittany Bruce Business Coaching, because I would love to kind of like brainstorm and hear your ideas there as well. Okay. Don't forget to download your freebies, join us in the Facebook group, and subscribe so we can keep making more videos just like that for you free of charge. I love you guys. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.